Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Brawl Stars theme on piano. Let's begin by finding middle C on your keyboard. The iconic main melody starts with 4 distinct notes: G, E, C, and D. You'll play these using your right hand, one after another. Concentrate on maintaining a steady rhythm and producing a clear, even tone for each note. Practice this short phrase slowly, repeating it several times until it feels comfortable and sounds smooth. Now, let's add some depth with your left hand, which will provide a simple yet effective bass line. You can play a C major chord, consisting of the notes C, E, and G in a lower octave. Alternatively, for a simpler approach, just play single bass notes like C and G. The key is to coordinate your left hand's rhythm with the melody your right hand is playing, creating a harmonious foundation for the theme. Bringing both hands together requires patience, so start by practicing very slowly. Focus on ensuring the right hand melody remains prominent and clear, while the left hand provides support. Once you're comfortable, begin adding dynamics. Play some sections a little louder and others softer to create musical expression. As your coordination improves, gradually increase the tempo, aiming for the energetic feel of the original theme. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Aim for short, focused sessions each day, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes. Using a metronome will greatly help you develop precise timing and a steady rhythm. Listen to the original Brawl Stars theme often. It will inspire you and reinforce the correct feel. Once you're confident, feel free to explore adding more complex chords or creating your own variations to personalize the tune.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.